Welcome to the video where we discover the steps of using the search box effectively on Olabs. Let's review how you can use the search box effectively. You can make your search by types like folder, project, order, and document. You can search here by date. You can also clear your searches. Let's test it now. If you search for the keyword new, you can see every content which contains new by type. When you click one result here, you go to the details of it. You can see the status of your orders and other details here, like language pair and creation time.